Welcome to the GoClub.us website. This will be an introduction to your new website and how to use it. When you first go to your new website, you will see something like this. The website is organized by topics such as photos, news items, file cabinet, history, jokes, polls which you can do, recipes, and reviews. Also on the right column, you'll find new items, help videos, and your daily horoscope, which you can just go ahead and select the horoscope range for you, and it'll display a daily horoscope for you. You also get a calendar list of birthdays when your members will have birthdays, and you can turn that on or off. Site statistics in terms of how much space are you using, and then a list of members and when was the last time members were on the site. So let's go ahead and start out with adding a photo. All you do here is click this add button on the photos and you'll get a screen like this. You can go ahead and browse and you'll get a selection of where you can find your picture. For example, I'll go ahead and double click on this picture here. It will then upload it. You hit continue at the bottom of the page. At this point, you can put in your title. For example, we have sunset, and you can put a description of the picture here. The date taken, the place taken, and your owner. At that point, you can click Save Photo. This will save your photo. When you click on your home page, you will see that the word sunset here is at this point is on your home page. If you click sunset again, you have a choice of making this a photocopy, a photo. You can make this a cover photo. So if I click that, you'll see how that picture is now in your right column. Again, by adding news, you can go ahead and click the add button on the news and say new news item. This is a news item. At this point, you can also add a web link. Now I'll show you that here. So if you want to say, I want to put in Yahoo here as a web link on this thread, and you hit save, it will then add a web link to your site. Also, you can reply to it. So this is a reply, or anybody else or any member can also reply to this news item. Again, if you go to your home page or front page, you'll see that item is also there. You will also see items here that are bolded. This means that this is an unread item. Here is an example of an existing website. It is called the Splash and Dash Sea Race site that is available off the GoClub.us front page. You can actually take a look at that. As you can see here, there are bolded items under photos and normal font items under photos. The bolded items are items that you have not seen. So if you want to go and see this, you can take a look at that particular item. Somebody has added this picture. And when you go back to your home page, that item is now not highlighted anymore. There's also a lot of other things you can do with this website, which I'll go into more details. In the previous website, if you looked at the right column, you'll see a weather information. If you can click on your name at the top, there's a number of different selections here on the right column. One more important thing is a notification email option. Do you want to receive an email? No emails, daily, twice weekly, or monthly. So if I want to say, I want to see any updates to this email, to this website, I'll choose weekly. You can also have a choice of receiving real-time emails. And say, well, what's that? A real-time email is an email that will be sent to you 10 to 15 minutes after an item has been modified. Either a reply is put in, or a modification, or a new thread has been created. If you have an active site, you have to be careful because you might get a lot of emails with this particular option. To go ahead and activate that, you just click on it and it says, please stop here. So if you want to stop it, you just click it again. If you want to display weather on your site, you can go ahead and click on that and it will display the weather for your site. If you want to change your personal information, click Edit Person here, and you go ahead and modify this information. You can go ahead and to the bottom of it, and there's a button that says Save Address. You click Save Address, and it will save information. Also here you can say, change my email address, edit holidays. For example, if you don't want to see certain holidays on your calendar, you can uncheck these. And then you can go ahead and hide your email address if you want to from other people. If you want to look at members map, there's a members map of where other members are located, but for that to work, you have to have an address in for each member. You can also go ahead and add your picture for yourself by clicking this Add Change Photo button. Another thing here is the calendar. There's a full functioning calendar. So if you would like to put in a special event in for the holiday, you can click on that date. And I'll just say October 30th is today. And you can put a comment in. Hit save. And it will display a special event on that day. You go back to the front page, down here on the calendar, you will see the event on the calendar. Also, if you have birthdays in, your birthdays will be displayed. File cabinet is basically for, and you will find that there are no files in your file cabinet. Again, you can click Add Files here, and go ahead and you can drop or drag them, or you can browse a file, any type of file you want. For example, a picture, a Excel file, a PDF file, a MIDI file, a WAV file, a video. Any type of file can be put in the file cabinet. Again, clicks Continue, add a description here, date of the file, and you can say Save. And most of the time, it will display either the picture, the PDF, or any type of file that is there. You can also download it. And again, on the front page, that particular file is there. So this is a very brief overview of your new website. We also have a number of help videos by clicking Help Videos, which you can go ahead and look at more details on how to use functions. And we'll be adding additional videos to this list in the near future. Thank you.